Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of Friends Corner channel. If you are a new visitor to this channel, subscribe to our channel to get the latest news as soon as possible.
Hello everyone, once again welcome to the video. In this video we are going to see an important question. Why it is important? Because it is frequently asked in staff selection commissions every exams. So we are all familiar to this question that find out number of numbers from a fixed number to a fixed number which are divisible by 3 or 7 or 5 etc. Here the question to discuss is how many numbers are there from 700 to 950 which are neither divisible by 3 nor by 7. So we have to find out the number of numbers from 700 to 950 which are not divisible by 3, not divisible by 7. Or in another sense we can say that these numbers should not be divisible by both 3 and 7. We have to follow a fast and simple method to solve this problem. First we have to find out how many numbers are there from 700 to 950. Let it be A. There are A numbers from 700 to 950. Then we have to find out the numbers from 700 to 950 which are divisible by 3. Let it be B. And numbers which are divisible by 7 from 700 to 950. Let it be C. And the numbers which are divisible by both 3 and 7 from 700 to 950. And it is D. So the answer will be A minus B plus C minus D. First we have to find A. The number of numbers from 700 to 950. From arithmetic sequence we all know that the number of numbers are 950 minus 700 by 1 plus 1. The answer here is 250 plus 1, that is 251. So A is equal to 251. There are 251 numbers from 700 to 950. Our next step is to find out the number of numbers which are divisible by 3 from 700 to 950. So the equation here is L minus S by 3 plus 1. Only we have to do is to find L and then S. To find S, we have to find the lowest number from 700 to 950 which is divisible by 3. For that we have to divide 700 by 3. On dividing, the remainder will be 1. From this we know that 700 minus 1 will be a multiple of 3. The quantity 700 minus 1 will be a multiple of 3. That means 699 is a multiple of 3. Or it is divisible by 3. But we have to find a number from 700 to 950 or between 700 to 950. 699 is less than 700. So we have to find the next multiple of 3 after 699. It will be 699 plus 3. That is 702. So S is equal to 702. Like this we have to find L. For that, on dividing 950 by 3, the remainder is 2. We all know that 950 minus 2, that is 948, will be a multiple of 3. 948 is a multiple of 3 and that number is between 700 and 950. So we can take L as 948. To apply in this equation we have L and S. So the number of numbers which are divisible by 3 from 700 to 950 will be 948 minus 702 by 3 plus 1. The answer is 83. Our B is equal to 83. So the third step is to find out the number of numbers which are divisible by 7 from 700 to 950. Like in the previous step, we have to find out L and S. Then L minus S by 7 plus 1 is the number of numbers which are divisible by 7 from 700 to 950. First find out L. 950 by 7 gives the remainder 5. As we all know, 950 minus 5 will be a number divisible by 7. So we can take that number as L. 945, that is 950 minus 5, 945 is equal to L. Then we have to find out S. Divide 700 by 7. We all know that 700 is divisible by 7. So S is equal to 700. Applying these two in this equation, 945 minus 700 by 7 plus 1 is equal to 36. So C is equal to 36. There are 36 numbers from 700 to 950 which are divisible by 7. Our next step is to find out the number of numbers which are divisible by both 3 and 7 from 700 to 950. For that we have to find the LCM of 3 and 7. The lowest common multiple of 3 and 7 will be 21. 3 into 7 is 21, 7 into 3 is 21. The equation here is L minus S by 21 plus 1. Like in the previous steps, we have to find out L and S and apply in this equation. For finding L, divide 950 by 21 and the remainder is equal to 5. So 950 minus 5 is a number which is divisible by 21. 945 is divisible by 21. This is our L. How to find S? Divide 700 by 21. The remainder will be 7. So the number 700 minus 7, that is 693, will be a number divisible by 21. But 693 is less than 700. We have to find the lowest number from 700 to 950 which is divisible by 21. That number will be 693 plus 21. So S is equal to 693 plus 21, that is 714. Now we have L and S. Apply this L and S in this equation. 945 minus 714 by 21 plus 1. The answer will be 12. So D is equal to 12. There are 12 numbers from 700 to 950 which are divisible by 21, or there are 12 numbers from 700 to 950 which are divisible by both 3 and 7. As we planned in the starting of the problem, we have A, B, C, D. Only we have to do is apply the value of these A, B, C, D in the equation. So the answer is number of numbers from 700 to 950 which are not divisible by either 3 or 7 is equal to A minus B plus C minus D. The total numbers from 700 to 950 is A is equal to 251. The number of numbers from 700 to 950 which are divisible by 3 is equal to 83. Plus C is equal to the number of numbers from 700 to 950 which are divisible by 7, that is 36. D is equal to the number of numbers from 700 to 950 which are divisible by both 3 and 7 is equal to 12. So the answer is 251 minus 107, that is equal to 144. I hope that you all clearly understood what the steps are and how can we solve this problem very easy and very fastly. Thank you.